how to make passive income. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways on how I've personally produced lots of passive income using different strategies. Now, I've put this into my phone, so I'm going to bring out some of these ways that you can do this and some of the ways I've been systematically achieve this. And one of the biggest problems is a lot of people are trading time for money. So let's say right now you're working a job and for every hour you get paid per hour. That's one big problem, because that means if you want to earn more income, you have to work more hours. So you need to create a systematic way to do that. So here are some of the business that you can start to produce passive income. The first one is what we call buy to let. So what is buy to let? Buy to let is buying property and renting the property out to make an income. So let's say the property is worth, I don't know, 100,000, right? And you're able to rent that property out for $500 or £500. But the mortgage and the loan on that is maybe 300, so you make 200 profit. So that's what we call buy to let. So buy to let is renting a property out, and whatever you rent it for, you minus the loan, but the difference becomes your passive income. That's the first strategy. Second strategy is what we call memberships. So you probably see Netflix, you probably see gyms. These are different forms of membership. So membership means that all of you right now can create an income doing what you love to do and getting paid money every single month. So there are lots of softwares out there that allow you to do that. In fact, we've actually built one called wealthdragons.com. So if you actually want to become an expert and get paid money every single month for the membership, head over to wealthdragons.com and get registered. So there are lots of memberships that you can start. I know people that have a membership on cooking, have a membership on investing, have a membership on trading, have a membership on drawing, have a membership on singing, have a membership on losing weight and gaining more muscle. So it depends what you're really good at that you can actually start doing this. And the third one, which I think is the best one, is equity deals. So that's one of the reasons why I fly all around the world. I speak all around the world in Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, Slovakia, Cyprus, Netherlands, UK, some parts of the US. And one of the reasons why I'm flying all around the world now is we're growing the company to coach businesses to get them to the next level. And for doing that, we take a percentage of that of that real estate or the property or the business or whichever it is. So equity deals are a really good way, because now all I got to do is give my advice, that person implements it, and then when they make money, I get a percentage of that. So that's a really good way. And if you're very experienced in business, that's one of the routes that you should definitely take. If you're just starting off, I suggest that you take the membership route. And if you've got some funds to play with, or you know somebody who has the funds to play with, then you can actually start investing it into real estate and start producing more passive income. So these are 3 ways or 3 different businesses you can start in order to create income. So if you love this, by the way, below this video, there's going to be a button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications, because I'll be creating more videos on wealth creation, on passive income strategies, on motivation, and of course, how to achieve the best of what you've got. So, and also what I want you to do as well is leave a comment below this and let me know one of the ways that you're currently using to produce passive income. This is John Lee, the author of The Wealth Dragon Way. Bye for now.